In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a card URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to edit, and how to confirm everything is working, all without disrupting your live site for long. First, open your card site. Head to your card dashboard and log into your account. On the main dashboard, click the project you want to update to open it in the card editor. This loads your site in edit mode, where all the controls you need are available along the top bar. Next, open the Publish settings. In the top right corner of the editor, click the Publish button. This is where Card lets you control how your site goes live, including the URL your visitors use. Now, let's edit the URL. In the Publish panel, look for the field labeled Site URL. This is the card subdomain assigned to your site. To change it, simply replace the current site name with the new one you want. For example, you might update your name, card.co, to new name, card.co. Keep your new URL short, clear, and easy to remember. Card typically allows lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. Spaces and special characters won't work. If the name you choose is already taken, Card will prompt you to try another. Also note, this change applies to your card.so subdomain. If you're using a custom domain through your own registrar, that's managed separately from this field. When you're happy with the new name, save it by clicking Publish Changes. Card will process the update, which usually takes just a few seconds. If your site is larger or your connection is slow, give it a moment. There's no need to make any other edits while it updates. Finally, test the new link. Click View Site from the Publish confirmation or the top right menu to open your website. Check the address bar to confirm you're now seeing the new URL. If it doesn't load right away, wait a few seconds and refresh, or try a private browsing window to avoid cached results. Once it's working, consider copying the link and testing it in another browser or on your phone to be sure everything looks correct. Remember, if you shared the old link anywhere, like a social bio, a profile, or a QR code, you'll want to update those to point to the new address. And that's it. Your card website now has a new URL, and you've confirmed it's live. Thanks for watching, and happy building.